The Budget Writeback feature in Velixo Reports allows you to create a new budget from scratch in Excel using zero-based budgeting and push the results back to your ERP. You can also retrieve existing budgets and update them from Excel. You might use this feature to have your executives send Excel spreadsheets with the budget items they manage and upload the final budget to your ERP, or create a sophisticated budgeting and forecasting model using Excel formulas and the power of the custom functions added to Excel by Velixo Reports to work with your ERP. To begin the process, click on Budget Writeback and then New Budget Worksheet. A pop-up window will then ask you to select the connection in the financial year for which you want to create a budget. When you click on Create Budget Worksheet, a new sheet will appear in your workbook. As you can see, the spreadsheet is very similar to the budget entry screen. Just like with the GL Writeback process, all you need to do now is simply fill in the blanks in the sheet to enter your budget. Under the connection, you can specify the branch and ledger. If you do not use branches in your organization, you can just leave the branch cell blank. If you want the budget to release automatically after import, you can change the setting here to yes. In the table, you can type in the account, subaccount, and amount of the budget article. Then you can use the periods column to distribute the article amount over the periods of the year. As you start typing in amounts in the periods, you will see the distributed amount cell update. For the budget article to release, the distributed amount should be equal to the value in the amount column. When you are finished with your budget, click on Budget Writeback and then Import Current Worksheet to upload the data to your ERP. If you only want to import specific rows, click on Budget Writeback and then the Import Budget Worksheet Selected Rows Only option. An Excel workbook can contain multiple budget worksheets. If you have multiple tenants, business units, or budget versions, you'll likely want to have different tabs with different names. When building your budget, it is important to keep in mind that you can leverage the functions that Velixo adds to Excel, such as account turnover, account total debits, and account total credits. You can even use project-related functions or any of the standard Excel functions. If you're using formulas anywhere in your budget, ensure that the calculations are rounded to 2 decimals. This is important because the distributed amount must equal the budget amount, or you will receive an error message during writeback. Let's take a look at a budget writeback example that makes use of some Velixo functions and additional columns. This sheet here shows the budget for the products wholesale branch for 2020. The description column here has been added to identify the account name for each account by using the account name function. This next column shows the prior year results for each account, which are populated by using the account ending balance function. If you wish to build a forecast into your budget, you can add a column like this one, which will allow you to specify the percentage change for your new budget. To set the amount column to calculate based on the prior year total and the forecasted percentage change, you can use a simple Excel calculation. Now you can try out multiple scenarios and see the impact on the budget. For instance, I might want to change the forecast percentage here to 15% so I can see the updated budget amount. Velixo makes Budget Writeback a quick and easy process that is flexible to fit your organization's specific needs.